You can get the best barbecue in Texas without spending hours in line. The minds behind the #1 barbecue in Texas, Goldee's, opened a brand new spot that's taking over the Dallas area. Ribbies takes a pivot from the traditional Texas barbecue tray concept and opts for box combos that feature their incredibly succulent ribs. How does the food at Ribbies compare to Goldee's barbecue? Well, I have the full menu to try out for myself, and I'll let you know. All right, so we're here live at Ribbies, week 2 of Ribbies being open, and I'm so excited to try all of this food. We've been here for a couple days, we've been watching them make the ribs, and now I finally get to eat them. So usually I'll start out and I'll eat the meat first, and then I'll go sides, but today, since it's not really a traditional Texas barbecue tray, I'm gonna go sides first, we'll go for the ribs, and then we'll cap it off with the dessert. So I'm gonna go ahead and start out with this coleslaw here, all right?
It's mainly really creamy, sweet from the honey, and you just get a little bit of that tang from the mustard. It's not like I just poured honey mustard over the coleslaw. It's like all the main ingredients of a coleslaw dressing, plus we add honey and mustard.
Let me open it up. Ooh, sweet. Wow, that's very sweet. Yeah, I really like that. It's supposed to be like an offset, because you're eating a bunch of fries, you got a really nice savory roll, and then you got the ribs. This is like the nice bright part of the menu to kind of just cut through all of that, but at the same time it has like sweet honey mustard flavor to it. Really good. So next I'm gonna try the fries. Nice crinkly cuts. You can't just like eat one fry, right? I'm the type that takes a bunch of fries and eats it together, so I'm gonna eat a bunch full of fries and try that out. So, all right. I love sweetness on fries. The sweetness hits you right away. It's like why Wingstop fries are some of my favorites, and like they absolutely kill it here. You get that nice salty seasoned flavor, but then on top of that with the salt, and like I'm a sucker for crinkle cut fries. Whenever I go to Raising Cane's, I always say no coleslaw, double fries, because I just love crinkle cut fries. Perfect for these boxes, absolutely. Okay, now the side that I've been waiting for the most is this beautiful home baked roll. So they put butter on this before it goes in the oven, and then once it comes out, they put butter on it again. So as you can see, it's golden, it's delicious, it's so fluffy. All right, roll time. So freaking good, man. You killed it, Johnny. Johnny's standing right there, good one there.
Thank you. I'm watching it eat. The roll's good?
Dude, you gotta open up a store that's just rolls. That would be called, it's just rolls.
No, we're already in the roll weeds over here, so.
Dude, look how like soft and fluffy, dude. Man, it's like a really good homemade bread with like a nice buttery like honey glaze on it. It's not like super overpowering, it's not super sweet. It just comes together so nicely. One of the best rolls I've ever had in my life. It's like dead serious. Okay, now it's time for the ribs. So we're gonna go ahead and try regular first, okay? The way the regular is made, it's basically their original rub, and then once it's done cooking, they finish it off with a little bit more of the original rub. So here goes. Man, it's crazy how tender these are for baby backs. No resistance on the bite. Yeah, I think their base seasoning is like already really good. You know, when I think of baby back ribs, I think that they're gonna be super saucy, you know, a bunch of flavor and stuff like that, but that absolutely works. Just the regular seasoned salt on top. You know, I think the way that they try to make this place is kind of like a fast food joint, right? You can have this more than once a week. So normally I'd probably go with a spicy honey or a sweet sauce. You know, if I wanted to come multiple times, I might go with just a regular rub. That is really good. All right, let's try next. Okay, so this is the spicy. I like this one better than the regular. Yeah, it's similar, but that like little bit of spice, in my opinion, makes it taste better. All the beautiful things I said about the regular one, but with that spicy kick, I think it just elevates it a little bit more. You said this is your favorite, huh?
What?
The spicy rub?
Yeah, I think my favorite is the dry, spicy.
Which one?
But I'm a big fan of the dry rubs. We have 2 dry rubs and 2 sauce, and I think the saucy ones are definitely a little bit more popular, but I love the spicy dry rub. I think it's really cool. So.
Yeah. Okay, so again, like I said before, I grew up in California. Where I'm from, it's like baby back ribs are the ribs that we eat, and they're very sauced. So these last 2 baby backs that they have sauce on them. So this first one is the sweet sauced rib. All right, let's try it. Yeah.
Dang, that's good. I'm talking to Wilson and Greg, my videographers right now. We're all from California. Like, this is the rib. It's sweet, but there's other flavors to it. You get a little bit of like mustardy, sourness, vinegary, like really good sauce. Yeah, so far that one's my favorite, the sweet sauce. All right, last baby back. We got the hot honey. That's the line. All right. No, this one. This is my favorite one. I've had hot honey on spare ribs. I think I like it better on baby back. That is so good. I don't know what it is. I think it's maybe just me. I like a little bit of spice, but yeah, I think that one's the best one, the hot honey, in my opinion. But you know, all the ribs are super good, and we still have one more to go. But whew, that hot honey, dude. Okay, so the last rib is the beef rib. These are beef back ribs, different than plate ribs. But as you can see, barky and seasoned as they are still going to be very good. Tender bite, dude. I just fell apart right on the bite. Look at that, yo. Man. You get that Texas barbecue taste because it's just salt and pepper and then that nice beef flavor. This is Texas barbecue to go. So if you're like, dang, I don't want to wait until line at Goldee's. I don't want to have to wait for all the brisket or whatever. You can just stop by Ribbies and just get a beef rib box and it'll give you that fix. This is so good. Smoke, salt and pepper, dude. Okay, and now we have the cap. Here at Ribbies, they do 3 desserts. They have just regular soft serve, they do a root beer float soft serve, and they have a Big Red float. I don't know if you guys know what Big Red is. It's like this super sweet soda, but for some reason when you put sweet ice cream in it, somehow makes it better, dude. So we got going. Sorry, it's been sitting for a while, so it probably doesn't look very appetizing, but let's try it. Yeah, Mom. It's just like the perfect dessert for like this style of food. It's cool, it's sweet, it's perfect. As you can see, I'm sweating like crazy because of all the spicy that I've eaten today, and this is the perfect cool down. In the summertime, dude, these are probably gonna be selling like hotcakes, dude. So good. All right, well, that was the tray, or I guess the boxes here at Ribbies. What did you expect, right? This is like a spin-off of Goldee's, so of course the food is gonna be like really stinking good. So you guys come out and try the food, and I'll see you guys next time. You guys. No, you're good, thank you very much. Oh really? Awesome, man.